they still in cuffs? No, they're good. They're just chilling. So I just finished lunch and check out what is parked next to me. It's a velvet Rolls Royce in pink. I don't want to touch, but it's like, yeah, it's a little fuzzy. Nice. That is not a real license plate. OG Kez with a middle finger. Classy as fuck, bro. Got yourself with a Leap right here. Look, no plate. Nothing. Check the... Oh, look at that. Oh, it is completely taped off. Got a 100% bona fide Leap right here with the strap, man. There he is. Boom. Enhance, enhance. Oh, oh. Aaron, this one's for you, buddy. Right there for you, buddy. I think they're twins. I can't really tell. Lady driven.
So we're gonna take it out of the PCH. Show you guys all around it.
Google Glass. What the fuck? Oh, okay. That's good. That's some Tokyo shit right there, dude. That's some Tokyo shit right there. Look at that. This thing is insanely loud. We're gonna follow Mohammed's Gallardo, get a few shots. All right, let's do this. Oh man. Yeah. Here he comes. Waiting for pass 2 with the flaming Gallardo. It's pretty sketchy, just chilling in the center divider of this tunnel here. Got the Stratman doing his thing there. I think Muhammad's gonna come another third pass here. Check out this sketchy ditch. All in the name of flames. Tripod set up. All right, here we go. Fucking lols. Got a cruiser in the back. Let's see that focus. Yep. Are they still in cuffs? No, they're good. They're just chilling. Oh boy.
It's weird that they're gone.
Yeah. I don't know. I think he's just conferring with his partner about like what we were doing.
Yeah.
there's no money involved. It's like,
Yeah. The cops are out tonight. Another one. We've seen around a dozen cops all over Malibu, Santa Monica. But yeah, we got pulled over earlier. Luckily, no issues with the cops. Yeah, no ticket, no nothing. We thought the car's gonna get impounded, at least a Lamborghini, you know. But it was all good. The cops are chill, let us go. So the luck streak continues. Minus the ticket from last Saturday, but yeah, all in all, a very interesting day.